Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to clean this old truck here, and we're going to use a little bit of 30-second cleaner mixed with some water, a little bit of laundry detergent to try to get some of the mildew down in the crevices and everything off of this vehicle. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we get this done. Okay guys, we have a Roundup sprayer here that's washed out nice and clean. It's a 2-gallon sprayer. We're going to put a gallon's worth of the 30-second cleaner in here, okay? And let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll put a gallon of water and a little bit of laundry detergent, and I'll tell you why I do that here in just a minute. And as I'm doing this, folks, I want to tell you I have done a couple 30-second cleaner videos in the past, and actually the company 30-second cleaner was good enough to actually send me some of this product for free, and that was pretty awesome. They saw our channel, and if they're watching this video, maybe they'll send me some more, because I actually need to put some on clean the house again this year. Wouldn't mind having some more product. But anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and put a gallon of water in here. So let me go grab the hose right quick and we'll fill that up. Okay folks, we're going to fill it up to the 2-gallon mark. And I want to tell you something, folks. The last time I done a video with a full review on this, bring the camera back up here, I want to talk to the good people here a minute. I had some comments, because actually what we did, we tested the product on a lot of different vehicles. I mean, we did do a vehicle, but we done the house, we done the brick, we done a fence, we done several different things. I'll try to find that video, maybe post a link down below if I can. But some of the comments that we got was, they said, well, that was not a good review. Is a good review of your pressure washer, okay? Because everything that we sprayed the chemical on, you could clearly see that it was taking whatever on there off, the mildew and stuff. But they said, well, your pressure washer was doing all the work. Okay, point taken. That may have something to do with it. So today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to take this product and we're going to shoot this truck. And bring the camera down here, thing. As you can see, there's mildew all around the door handle. There's some in between here. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to get it out between the cab and the camper. But look right here. Look all around in here, around the gas cap, all this nasty mildewy mess, okay? Look here on the side of the vehicle as we go down, okay? You can see this vehicle has not been washed real good. Hadn't been kept real good. But this is getting ready to be our stump grinding vehicle, so I want to get this really cleaned up. I'm having some lettering made for it, so we're going to get this thing looking good. We're going to get it buffed. So today, what we're going to do in this video, we're going to spray this thing down and we're going to let it sit, okay? And we'll show the camera as it's being set and this stuff melting off of it. And we're going to take just the water hose, no pressure. We have the pressure washer out here, but for this video, we're not going to use it, okay? We are going to use just water pressure and rinse this thing off really good. And we're going to come back and inspect it, okay? So stay tuned for all that. Guys, I'm going to do one thing here that's just, this ain't really recommended by 30-second cleaner. This is just something I learned from watching guys that actually clean shingles and stuff. They'll put a little bit of soap into this mixture, okay? And it just helps it to cling on to whatever you've got it sprayed on. Since we got vertical surfaces here that the chemical can run straight off of, this soap added to this mixture should help it stay on there without running off quite as quick. And what we're using here is just some dishwasher soap. I'm sorry, laundry soap, okay? Not dishwasher. Laundry soap, I have learned, mixes better with any product that may have Clorox in it, okay? It's made for that, okay? Because think about it, you put Clorox sometimes in your laundry, so laundry soap is a closer mix to being compatible than any other type of soap, including dishwasher soap. So let's go ahead and mix this up and let's start spraying this thing down. All right guys, everything's mixed up. We're going to start spraying this thing down. Daniel's going to film film me doing this in bits and pieces until we get this thing covered really good. Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, look at this right here. See how dirty and nasty the top of this thing is? Hold that camera up there where they can see. All right, I'll let you compare that here in just a little bit once we get all this thing covered and rinsed off. Okay guys, we got a generous coat applied on the surface. Let's just come up here and take a look if we can. If you can see the stuff is working, it's doing its job. Let's go over here to the very nasty area of where the gas areas was. As you can see, that stuff is melting out of there. It's not all gone yet. Probably the little bit of water pressure will help push it on out. This one actually looks a little better. As you can see, just in spraying it on there, it's eating it away. We're gonna let this sit a few more minutes, guys. And we're just gonna take the water hose and hose it off. Now, as you can see, that lid is looking really good. It's taking all that mildew off of there. As you can see, just right across there. And the roof of it looks great. Looks 100% better. So we'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll rinse it off and do a final inspection. Okay folks, it's been about 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes. I walked around the vehicle and it looks like the chemical is taking effect. It's definitely killing the mildew. We're gonna go ahead and take just the regular water hose, regular water pressure, start rinsing from the top down, and then we'll take a look at what it looks like afterwards. So just follow me for a little bit here, Nathaniel, as I start rinsing her down. All right, guys, this part I've been waiting for. I'm gonna wash out these two areas where the gas caps were. Let's see if it'll rinse the rest of that stuff out of there. Okay, guys, you can actually tell that looks a lot better. It didn't take everything out 100%. As you can see, I can just rub with my finger. If I had a soapy rag or something, I could go ahead and get this totally clean, but not bad compared to what it looked like before. One thing, it does look like most of the mildew and stuff is killed. Hopefully it would definitely be killed. And we'll take soapy rag and rinse that on out of there when we actually wash the vehicle. But that was the nastiest part of the vehicle, so you can tell that there definitely was a big improvement just by spraying that stuff off and rinsing it off.
Oh, good. It came right off.
Did it? Awesome. Okay, folks, that just about does it with the rinsing. I don't know if you can tell, but come back up to the surface of the truck. I don't see any more mildew hanging to the surfaces. Looked like it washed it out pretty good around our emblem too. There was some that was hanging around there. Like I said, probably the worst part was around these gas caps. And that looks 100% better. We can get in there with some soapy rag and probably get it looking almost perfect. That's a big improvement. One thing here is this roof. You've seen how the roof definitely had the mildew all over this camper top, and that looks 100% better now. So guys, there's your results from the 30-second cleaner. And I'm very happy with it. I use this stuff a lot. I use it on fences, decks, things of that nature, especially when I do like outdoor spring cleaning, when it gets to the time of year where we wash our house and so forth. Okay, folks, we want to thank you for stopping by today and checking out our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Also, down below, we'll have links to our other channels, RJW Financial Coaching and the Personal Body Makeover. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.